What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Luca Brassi, it's your boy Kevin Johnson, man. We are back with another lit video, man. Back with another legendary goddamn video again. This video is sponsored and parked by Midway Auto Parts on Front Street. Go down and get your parts, you know what I'm saying? Get your parts and get them, and we'll be right back with this brief message. So, we about to get stuff popping and get stuff rocking. So on today's episode of Jerk's Journey, we're about to go play some basketball and we're about to get some buckets in. And man, this is about to be a lit video, and this is about to be the most litty video you will ever find and you'll ever know. So, but first and foremost, I want to thank all your new subscribers, man, for taking time out and then just looking at my videos, and then just, I love that about y'all, man. I hope y'all still subscribing, and I hope everything is okay. It's been a journey, man. I hope everybody loves my videos and love what I do, the content that I give you guys, and first and foremost, man, because think about it. I have a car channel which y'all see, y'all subscribing and y'all liking it and getting my videos all the way up there for me. You know what I'm saying? So, first and foremost, man, we're about to head out, play some basketball, and let's get it.
I know, but they ain't got rid of it yet. It hasn't went to no auction yet, so let me have it.
Should have went the other way, and not this way.
You're the driver. TJ's Palm. Buy, sell, trade. Y'all see that, y'all? Y'all see that, right? He burnt me. He burnt me, y'all.
See this, bro.
That's how rude you are, bro. Nah. That's messed up.
Right there.
Bro, is this light ever gonna change?
Like, look, okay, that, like, inside of, no, wait, no, that's the old one.
I like that.
That's the old one right there.
Bro, I like that. I think I look sexy. You know, I look sexy if anything. Except for a car. I mean, I kind of look sexy driving this one too, but it's just not my style. It's just too small. I need spacious.
No, like
I
my
need
front
room
end,
to be able to breathe
like,
driving.
like my front end is my front end is smaller.
I'm really thinking about getting a van again.
And it sits up. My front end, look, this is how my car sits. Like it's like that.
I really am thinking about getting a van. I just feel more spacious in a van. Like I have more room.
Yeah.
And I feel more comfortable driving because I sit so tall. That means you gotta sit the damn seat up.